Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a quick and super helpful tip for all Vivo users. Ever missed a call before your phone was on silent or the vibration wasn't enough? Well, don't worry anymore. I'm going to show you how to turn on flash notifications for incoming calls on your Vivo mobile. Let's get started. First things first, grab your Vivo phone and open the settings app. You will find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. It's the one with gear icon. Once you are in settings, scroll down until you see shortcuts and accessibility. Tap on it to open more options. Now look for something called flash notifications or incoming call flash. We will sometimes list it under different sections depending on your model. So don't worry if it takes a second to find it. Got it? Great. Now just toggle it on. If your Vivo phone has additional settings like adjusting the flash duration or brightness, feel free to explore those and customize it the way you like. And that's it, you're all set. Now every time you get a call, your phone's flash will blink, making it super easy to notice, even in a noisy or quiet environment. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips and share it with your friends. See you in the next one.